Hello, good lovelies, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Your favorite teacher here. A typical day of how my Saturday went. Like usually, I have two home lessons on Saturday. Most times, that means I'm usually choked up with teaching more than house chores. So I usually just normally do one or two in the morning, then I'm off to my lesson. Then when I come back, that's when I do my bulk works on Saturday, which includes maybe washing my clothes, cleaning my room and surroundings. So one or two things there. So basically in the morning, I normally start my work from the kitchen. The reason is that I need to prepare breakfast for my mom and siblings before I leave for my home lessons. And I go early to enable me finish on time because there are two homes and they are far from each other. So I take transport to go there. I start by packing the place from the previous day. Then if there are any dirty plates, I wash them off. I clean, I sweep mop. Then I start preparing breakfast. So this is me here washing some of the plates that we used on Friday night, dancing to the music on my brain. So I did that. During my washing, I was calculating on what to use for the potato we are going to eat, whether it will pap or custard, because those were the two options available at home. There was enough custard, but the pap wasn't enough. So I was thinking, which should I go with, maybe the pap or the custard? And we had visitors that came over a previous day before that day, so it was a big house kind of. Yeah, I had to wash. I just washed the pot and a kettle. Yeah, that's just it. The place weren't that much because normally I like, as I'm cooking and washing off, you understand, to enable the work to be easier for me. So I think after the washing, I now started preparing my. Okay, I had to leave. Yeah, I didn't document that. I was in a hurry. I left to go and get the pap from our neighbor that produces pap in large quantities. That's like her real job, what she does. Like, she produces pap, and they are so nice. So I don't know how to say, so hygienic, so clean. If you see where she stays to do the pap, you understand. There's this pawpaw we had at home. I had to cut it and give to my siblings. I personally, I don't like licking pawpaw. I don't know, except it's strong, the strong ones. But all these overripe ones or even ripe ones, I don't like it. So I gave it to my brother because it's just my immediate younger brother. I had to even wake him up and give it to him so it will be clear. Then I started washing up the potato. I don't know, but sincerely, I find peeling potato stressful. Like, especially when you're cutting potato for a large number of people, it's stressful. Then talking about what's this one? Irish potato. That one is another kit altogether, and I don't enjoy it. Those that enjoy it, I don't know how they do it, but I prefer sweet potato to Irish potato 10 times over and over and over and over and again. So you know that potato actually is one of the, how will I put it, one of a fast breakfast meal that you can make, and many people like it. The only thing I don't like it is when it's cold, but if it's hot, I'm going to take it. So I peeled the potato. Before then, I bought my pap here. I peeled the potato. I bought pap of, I think, 300 naira or so. So I peeled my potato, cut it, and fried it. Now let's have just a little discussions. How do you feel about Saturday cleanup? Is it compulsory in your homes? Like, do you make it compulsory every Saturday must be clean up, or you clean within the week? Like, I have a friend, she cleans like every week. Just like, there is no special day for her cleaning. She'll tell you that since every day you wake up and do things, every day is like for cleaning. While I'm against it, I normally just clean it sparingly, like just normal cleaning, sweeping. Then on Saturdays when I now sweep, wash, you get mop, brush. When I now go into the details, then This is me trying to dissolve my pap. Now, whenever I want to make pap, two things are involved. I'll say my prayers. I can say my prayers. Because you can think you have this on lockdown. Locked in, and pap will disgrace you. It will become watery. So, but that day, I think I didn't even get the video ready because I was in haste. By the time I was done, filming and cooking, time was already late. So I just had to rush off and go for my lessons. I had 2 lessons, by the way. Then I went, I went to lesson that day by 10:30. By 10:30, I was off for my lessons, and I finished around 4 because I'll go to the first house, then I'll go to the second family. Then my 2 lessons, actually, I've been lucky in these lessons, and I've been having parents that are good, parents that quite understand. This is my first case. There are 3. They are 3 in number, and they are so intelligent. They make my work so easy. There is this joy that comes from teaching with kids that learn fast, kids that are easy to grab. I went for my second lessons. They're also 4 in number. So, and they are also quick to learn. Just give them time and they will learn. And they make my work so easy. It's not as if, and that's one good thing about lessons. You're not struggling with a large class, just one-on-one reading. I went home that night. I had to cook right. Please, before I forget, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Just a baby girl trying to make it up with her YouTube. I love you. Felix Navidad. Felix Navidad. Oh, bye. See my rice. Shelf here and the video.